Good morning, wonderful people. What's up? Happy Monday. Hope y'all had a wonderful weekend. I sure did. Starting on Monday with some ground coffee. I haven't tried this brand before, but was recommended, so yeah. And it smells good. It's been smelling good. This coffee smells good with this touch of almond milk. Amazing. Amazing, guys. Okay, good morning. Here I have broccoli, spinach, tomatoes, and I have some vegan cheese. And what I'm gonna do next is put my eggs, black pepper, basil, cumin, salt. These are just divine. This morning I didn't feel like doing any exercise or whatsoever. But in the end, I knew that I had this commitment and that after I finished this workout, I would feel like a winner. I wanted to do it, so I just did it. Another day, another workout done. Day 2. I'm holding myself accountable. So I already have some spinach, some blueberries, bananas, and I'm just going to add the milk. I'm preparing a smoothie bowl today. And see you later for the workout. Yes, today we're killing it. This was a whole 25-minute run. I don't know how I made it through, but when I heard the coach say that I was halfway through the run, I thought I was about to pass out, but then I was like, you know what? I'm halfway through. I gotta finish this run, and I did it. My third Nike run. I'm so proud of myself. You have no idea. But then again, with this beautiful view, how could I not run? It's beautiful. This is inspirational, bruh. I just want you guys to get into the zone and do your thing. This pineapple is really fresh. I think the best breakfast in the world. It reminds me of back home. Whenever it's too hot, it's always fruit time.
Perfect.
It was a struggle. Get some quality sleep, and I'll see you next week.